Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Nika Nadia, and today we're doing another meditation. This one comes from Chinese yoga practice, and like all meditations, it's good for self-esteem and calmness, peace of mind, helping us focus. This one particular is also good for cleansing and for the respiratory system. So get yourself comfortable, seated in a chair or on a block or pillow. And then once you're cozy, let's start out by just circling the head, taking a little bit of time to release any tension you might be holding in the neck today. And the other direction. Gently and taking your time, keeping the neck nice and long, the top of the head reaching up to the sky as you circle. And then slowly let the head just rest back in the center and imagine the head floating above the shoulders. The shoulders stacked on top of the hips, and an effortlessness and ease of lengthening. So in your mind, using the practice of visualization, I want you to imagine two tubes like we have in our nostrils, but they're going to continue up the forehead, around the top of the head, down the back of the neck, around your bottom and up to your belly button on your inhale, okay? And then on your exhale from your navel, two tubes traveling up the front of the body and out the nostrils, okay? So again, through the nostrils, inhale, visualize two tubes up the forehead, around the skull, down the spine, around the seat, to the navel, and then exhale through the front of the body and out. All right? Then, adding to this, I'd like you, in addition to, on your inhale, visualize clear or bright, maybe light color. And on your exhale, visualize darker or heavier, dusty maybe. So I'll guide you through the first few rounds, and then you're on your own. Closing the eyes if you're comfortable with it. And on your inhale, breath travels in through the nostrils, the forehead, around the head, down the spine, around the bottom, and to the navel. And then exhale nice and slow up the front of the body and out the nostrils. Again, inhale, visualizing clear, bright. Exhale, visualizing dark, heavy, dusty. Inhale, two tubes traveling around the body. Exhale, softly traveling out. And continue at your own pace. Gentle, easy, and patient. Notice it takes a little bit of time to get the hang of managing the distance and length of the breath. As well as the exhale, you can visualize a bit slower as the distance is shorter and often the exhale is longer. as you continue, let go of any extra tension you might be holding in the shoulders or anywhere else. And when you lose track of where you are, just patiently bring yourself back, continuing. It's really normal and natural for you to start thinking about other things. That's where our practice lies, in just coming back. Inhaling 2 tubes up the forehead, around the skull, down the spine, around the bottom, and up to the navel. And exhaling out the front of the body and the nostrils. Inhaling clear or light. Exhaling more solid or dark. And I'd like you to take 3 more rounds. And then rest and just return to a natural breath. Softly observe any sensations. Just witnessing what happened without any judgment or expectation around it. And then blink your eyes open. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel calm and clear. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I would really love to hear from you.